Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to link accounts to your Discord, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get right into today's tutorial. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to be on Discord, guys. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and click the little gear icon that says user settings. From here, click on it. You're going to want to head all the way down from the user settings. The second to last option right here that says connections, you're going to want to go ahead and press on. So go ahead and click on that, and you guys can see that I actually have Spotify linked here, YouTube linked here. Now, right above this, there's going to be add accounts to your profile. Now go ahead and click view more, and you guys can view all the options you can have to link your accounts. So go ahead and link your accounts. You can link your PayPal, your Reddit, Steam, TikTok, Twitter, eBay, Crunchyroll, PlayStation, guys. There is so much more accounts you can go ahead and link, guys. Now some of the cool features about this is if you link your Xbox account or your PlayStation account, you can go ahead and see activity on your Discord account. So basically you will be able to have a banner showing that you are playing a video game. So it is pretty cool, and that goes for Spotify as well. You will also have a banner displaying what songs you are listening to, just so other people can see that you are listening to something. So pretty neat feature on Discord, guys. But that's how you go ahead and link accounts to your Discord account, guys. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. And with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.